Yeah. That's cat food that they take. They just fly in, they take the cat food, and they run away. The reason they look around so much, I've got cats out there. I don't know where that one went. This is all day. This is why I have to feed out there, because otherwise they come to my little cat tree here and they take the food off it too. Oh, excuse me. Always say excuse you. But my trees are alive with them little birdies. Could also be that we have the heated bird feeder, like the water feeder. We don't plug it in until it gets like super ice cold.